know that if you look at the one behind the books, even though you see Rosette which is coming to the picture of Rosette is of the one which was found in Magdala, which is just down the road from here. Rosette from the same time. So Rosette from the same time it is that it's the first century, the same area. Alongside the boats, a few other artifacts were found. If you look at this right here behind, we can see cooking vessels, oil lamp, one object which always fascinates me most, nails. I'll tell you why. This is first century nails. I know somebody who was nailed in the first century. You know somebody who was nailed in the first century? I'm not saying it's these nails, but it's nails from this very same time period, from the same generation. So maybe, let's assume that these are kind of representative of nails of that time period. I can't show you nails from the classification. I can show you these. I do a certain symbol. You don't see this nails from the first century from the guy. Yeah, misquote me, I'll say these are crucifixion names. Because I did say that at the same time, the same so that's kind of nice. Any questions? The next one, out here in, shall we say, 10 minutes, there are restrooms behind this small hill. And that you find restrooms, ladies.
Yeah, restrooms.
On this side,